deviation, right? But I don't, we're not given anything for that, are we?
And it's in your, the chart, the inference thing you were talking about. It is the standard deviation on there.
So it's the standard deviation on the chart.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay.
That's the sample standard deviation.
Okay.
Is what you do on that chart.
Okay, I'm gonna write that down because and that was kind of my guess, and I should have just plugged it in to double check it, but I was just like kind of over it in that moment, and so I was like, I'm done here, but okay. Okay, so it's the sample standard deviation from the Excel sheet.
Yeah.
Yeah, or else they'll give you S if they'll either give you S or it's on this sheet.
Okay. Because I was getting all the right answers, but then she was wanting us to also like do it by hand, and I'm writing out the equation and I'm filling it in, but I just didn't know what that was, so that makes sense. Okay. I think that was the only question that I had on it. Did you guys have any?
I have a question, and I think it's because I probably didn't, I just forgot it maybe. But when it says to shade the area which represents the p-value, I can't remember what the p-value is again.
The p-value is the probability value. It's the outside portions. If you're wanting to know if it's like above the null hypothesis, then you would just shade what's on the right of the value that you're given. If you want to know what's below, then you shade what's on the left of the value you're given. If it's anything but, then it's the two outside things. If it's not equal to, right? Does that sound right, guys?
Yeah.
Yep. So if you go back a lesson, the p-value was in the p-value was what was calculated when you put in the z-scores at the bottom, up in the area box.
Okay. That's what I was. I always think kind of like we're supposed to be able to calculate everything by hand, but like you said, all of those things do it for you, and I'm like, wait a minute, that's too easy, so that can't be right.
Yeah. Wow. And then I also think, yeah, like when you're shading it, like if it's a two-tailed test, you'll shade both sides. If it's one-sided, you'll shade the one side. If it's, left-sided, you'll shade the left side. I'm pretty sure.
I thought it was something easy, but I just had to make sure.
The other thing about the p-value is that it's what you're comparing to alpha to decide if you are going to reject or not reject the null.
Right. Okay.
That's a good question. That kind of helped me review a little bit because. Did anyone else have any questions?
No, not yet. I'm still trying to let it all gel and see if I have any questions. So should we get started on the quiz? We have a friend that is about ready to pass away, and her husband is going to the funeral home today to make arrangements. And so he asked me to come and sit with her. And so I need to leave here in about 35 minutes. So.
Yeah, let's get rolling on the quiz then, for sure.
I have to tell you something funny. Yesterday when we were having those problems, Erica, with paste the stuff into the document, I thought, I wonder if anybody else is having that problem. So I went and watched another group's video that they had posted for this lesson. And it was
Yeah.
4 guys, and the whole video was 7 minutes long. Started cracking up.
Oh,
Oh, I see.
that is pretty funny.
But I didn't find the answer there.
No, I'm so glad you figured that out because I was just, it was frustrating because I knew how to plug it in. I just could not, it just wouldn't copy and paste. And I was like, this cannot be giving me problems right now. This is.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's a T distribution applet.
Mm-hmm.
So I probably need to have the link to that. Because it gave me the same, okay, never mind. Got it. Someone want to be the designated reader today?
You're so good at it.
I can keep doing it even though I got it. In previous lessons, we had assumed the population standard deviation was known. In this lesson, we are making a different assumption about standard deviation. What has changed? Okay, we assume. Are they just saying that in this lesson it's unknown?
It's unknown.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, for the next 2 questions, let the null and alternative hypotheses be null hypothesis equals 8 and alternative hypothesis is greater than 8. Assume that the population standard deviation is not known. Becca collects a sample size of n equals 9 and computes x bar equals 11 and s equals 6. Question 4 says, is the standard deviation known?
No.
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 What is the value of t? Okay.
I get 1.5.
That's what I got.
It's 6 divided by 3? Because isn't, oh wait, no.
6
Sorry.
divided by the square root of 9.
So yeah,
Which is 2, right?
right.
What did you guys get?
So isn't Z2? Or isn't T2? Or I'm doing it wrong, aren't I?
So it's 11,
Minus
8
8 over,
divided
okay.
by 6 divided by the square root of 9.
Oh, that's
So did you
right.
guys get 1.5?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Okay, use the following values which were pulled from the data file body temp for the next 5 questions. Copy and paste them into your software. Use the null hypothesis, 98.6, and the alternative is less than 98.6, and the level of significance is 0.05. Okay.
I can't copy on this quiz. Can you?
What do you mean?
Well, it's
Like-
saying use this, copy and paste this into your software, these numbers.
Oh, the body temp?
Yeah.
Do they just want us
Yeah.
to go to the body temp Excel sheet? Or is
Well-
it different numbers?
I think that
Oh,
there's all these numbers
this-
here.
Oh.
Excuse me.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yeah, it doesn't let you copy and paste.
Ah, what a pain.
So
Well, I wonder if
I've got
How
20
much-
numbers.
oh shoot, so the Excel sheet has like 100 and something, so
Yeah.
that can't be right. Okay, so we're gonna have to type them in then.
Yeah.
it looks like it.
Oh,
Goodness.
whoever's listening, who makes up these quizzes?
So
It's ridiculous.
the other thing that I was really frustrated about on the thing was that all the answers, they rounded them to like 1 or 2 decimal places. And I'm thinking, but you keep telling us to round to 3 decimal
3.
places. And
Yeah, me
frustrated.
too. I'm writing them all down and then going there.
You know what? Excel just is not like me. Literally. I am going to click enable editing and it won't let me enable editing.
So what's our, we're looking at 98.6 and then less than, right? And 5% significance. Okay, I've got mine in.
You've got all of your.
Yeah.
Wow, I have.
Sorry guys, I'm just getting started.
No, that's fine. Do you want to, well, let me just,
You know what? Do you have yours done? Do you want to read them to me?
yeah.
Oh, that'd be great. Okay.
Okay, 98,
Okay.
99.6,
Okay.
97.8,
Sorry, did you say 97.8?
yes,
Okay.
97.6,
Okay.
98.7,
Okay.
98.4,
Okay.
98.9,
Okay.
97.1,
Okay.
99.2,
Okay.
97.4, 99.1,
99.1.
yes,
Okay.
96.9,
Okay.
98.8, 99.9,
Okay.
96.8, 97, 98.7, 97.6, 98.7, and 98.2.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Okay. So our null hypothesis is going to be 98.6
Uh-huh.
at, can't remember, was it greater than or less than? It was less than. Okay. And okay, so the question then, it's asking us, let me get there. What is X bar?
So I have 98.22.
Oh, shoot.
Is that what you guys have?
No.
Yes, 98.220 because we're supposed to round to 3 decimal places.
Yeah. So you just probably have a number in there wrong, Jen.
Yeah, I know.
Do you want
Okay.
someone to read?
Well, I can go over them really quick. Oh, well. Okay, fixed it.
Okay, perfect.
Okay. And then what is S?
0.922.
Yep.
Yeah.
Sorry, what did you say it was?
0.922.
0.922. Perfect. That's what mine says too.
Okay. And the t-score is negative 1.843.
I haven't put in my null hypothesis there yet.
Did you say negative 1.843?
Yes.
P value is Are we all good on number 9 now?
Mm-hmm.
Did you guys get your p-value is 0.040?
Yes.
Say
Yeah.
that again
0.040?
for the p-value.
Uh-huh.
I got 0.081. So
What do you have for your t-value?
negative 1.843.
And do you have your confidence level at 95?
Oh, my confidence level, the lower one is 97.
No,
Oh,
above.
no, I've got it at 90.
So
Where did it
change that to
say?
95.
Okay, I didn't see that in the thing. I'll have to look closer. Okay, my p-value with it set at 95 and null hypothesis is 98.6. My p-value is still 0.081.
I was going to say, I don't think that will change. That's weird.
What's your DF?
19.
That's what
Mine
I
is
got. Yours is what?
19 as well for me.
You have it set at less than?
Oh, no, I have it at not equal to.
Yeah, so you need it because yours is double
There we go.
ours. So set it at less than.
Okay, yeah, 0.040.
Excuse me.
Sorry, guys.
No, that's
You're okay.
So on number 10, do we fail to reject the null hypothesis?
Yeah,
No.
Wait,
No.
because it's less than 0.05.
Shouldn't we reject it?
Is
Yes.
it
Oh, sorry. Reject.
0.005?
0.04 is less than 0.05, isn't it?
yes.
Oh, yes.
So
I'm
we
sorry. I'm thinking 0.005.
So we will reject the null because if the p is low, reject the null. I have that written like 15 times in my notes. Okay, so we're going to reject the null hypothesis. And let's see where we're at. Okay, use the following values which were pulled from the data file Baby Boom for the next 6 questions. These values are the wait time in minutes between births at a hospital. The hospital claims the average time between births is 40 minutes and plans its resource allocation based on this claim. You want to test their claim. The level of significance is 0.01.
So we need to put in those
Oh,
numbers.
Do you have 2 screens, Jeannie?
Yes.
So you can see them at the same time.
Yeah. So if you let me just put them in, I'm almost done. And then I can read them to you.
Okay.
Let's see. I think there's more on this one than the other one.
Yeah.
Let's see. 1, 7, 7. Okay, ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Sorry, give me 2 seconds.
Okay.
I gotta erase those boxes. Okay, ready.
59, 14, 37, 62, 68, 2, 15, 9, 157, 27, 37, 2, 55, 86, 14, 4, 40, 36, 47, 9, and 61. And then our confidence level is going to be 99%. And
Now, how do we know that?
because it says that with a significance of 0.001.
Okay, so you get it from that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And our null hypothesis is 40, and we're doing a not equals to.
Okay. Okay, so the first question is asking us for the p-value, which I got. Do you guys have 0.995?
No.
Yeah.
995. Yeah.
Did you have something different?
Yeah.
Did you guys all have 0.995, or is mine the one that's wrong?
No, that's what I have.
That's what I have.
Okay, that must be right.
But I don't have, like, on my confidence interval, I don't have numbers. You?
Oh, really? Yeah.
I've got numbers.
I've got an error.
And you put your confidence level was 0.99?
Oh no, I put 99. That's what. 0.99. There we go. Now I've got numbers. Okay. Sorry.
Jennifer, do you want Ward, do you want me to read the numbers again?
No, just go on.
What was your p-value?
I got 0.822.
Well, either way, you're going to fail to reject the null hypothesis, right?
Right.
Okay.
Was the A 0.01?
Yes.
The p-value is greater alpha. So this time we're going to fail to reject, right?
Mm-hmm.
And you decide to try another alternative hypothesis. This time we're going to change it to less than instead of not equal to. And the p-value decreased.
Decrease. Yep.
And we'd still fail to reject the null hypothesis.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is kind of a longer quiz.
Yeah.
Okay, now construct a 95% confidence interval for the true mean wait time between births. Okay, so let's go back in. 0.95.
That's the only thing we changed, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
And what is the lower limit of this confidence interval? Did you guys get 23.499?
Yes.
And the upper limit, 56.597.
Yep. Jennifer, did you get your numbers changed?
No, I'm not gonna worry about it.
Do you need us to give you any of the other answers that we have?
No,
You got them?
nope, I'm good.
Okay. 56.597. Okay. All right, I can go ahead and submit it.
All right.
And we got 17 out of 17. 100%.
Perfect.
You guys have 17 questions?
I know, I thought
Oh,
16.
we're 2 points or something. Okay.
Okay.
All righty, we finished just in the nick of time for you.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Good timing. All right.
Okay. Well, I guess we'll see you Tuesday.
See you Tuesday.
Sounds good. See you guys.
You have a good weekend.
You too.
You too.